I call this poem Rain. Drops, droplets, water falling down upon pavement, dropping, bouncing, riding through, drops and drops falling, riding through, night falling, wind coursing through, droplets dancing through, wind upon pavement, down and falling, getting somewhere, climbing, slips, slipping, water drops, dropping fast, droplets of rain, breathing in the droplets, drops falling, water, wind, and darkness free, the hilltops and drops coasting, wind and droplets, water falling, stopping, no stopping, pulling through, wind dropping, water blowing, water drops.